So it was very fruitful. Then my sports connection, 5 बजे हम सुबह उठते थे, 5 बजे उठते नहीं थे, पहुंच जाते थे स्कूल में। जो जितने भी बच्चे होते थे स्कूल से हम इंडियन एम्बेसी लेके जाते थे, which was like very far because the traffic was really bad in Indonesia. So it used to take like sometimes 4 hours, sometimes 5 hours. So we used to get up and I used to take them to the Indian embassy, and we used to participate in this Independence Day and Republic Day celebrations. And I never said कि अच्छा मैं अकेली लेडी हूँ, क्या मैं हैंडल कर पाऊंगी या मैं नहीं. That thought never came in my mind. तो आपको अपनी जो स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं उन पे बिलीव करना इज अनदर स्टेप टू एम्पावर योरसेल्फ. झांसी की रानी को अपने ध्यान में रखो. जब ऐसे आपको डिसीजंस लेने होते हैं तो जस्ट कीप दोस आइडल्स इन योर माइंड. वो कर सकते हैं वो.
आई थिंक आपकी बातों से ये कंक्लूड हो रहा है दैट यस, हम एम्पावरमेंट की बात करते हैं, दैट वुमेन नीड टू बी एम्पावर्ड, बट कोई मैजिक नहीं होता, कोई आता नहीं है आपको एम्पावर करने के लिए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ममता जी.
वो कोई इंसान नहीं है, कोई व्यक्ति नहीं है कि आके आपके सामने खड़ा जैसे रह जाएगा और आपको वो एम्पावर कर देगा या सारी शक्तियां आप में दे देगा और आप अचानक एम्पावर हो जाओगे. इट्स अ स्लो ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस वेयर we as a person, we as an individual identity need to take certain steps. As you mentioned that we need to be self motivated.
Yes.
We need to take opportunity whenever it comes in a way.
Very true.
Never say no to any opportunity. Just try once. And of course, the most important thing, what you just mentioned, that our President, ex-president of India, Dr. Abdul Kalam said that you need to learn from the failures.
Very true.
Yes, empowerment पहले तो हमारे मन में होना चाहिए that I want to do something. I want to create an impact in the society around me, and I think you have been doing a wonderful job. ठीक है, पहले तो खुद को एम्पावर कर रहे हैं हम, तभी तो सोसाइटी एम्पावर होगी. So I think that's the stepping stone, as you mentioned, that first you empower yourself, you need to be self-empowered and try and motivating people around you. So that will create an impact. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
much.
My
next question to you is, like, we understood your journey from India to Indonesia. Now you have landed up in Germany. So what is it like? As you mentioned that you had to resign when you shifted from Indonesia to Germany. Yes. So what is it now you've been doing that I want to know from you?
Yeah. So it was very tough decision because I'm in love with children. Till now I get messages from them. I'm very attached to them, and but the thing is, I'm very positive person. I feel that God has made a path for us, for to us to explore our strengths. You know. So till now that my writing was dormant when I was teaching. For a few years my writing was dormant, and now it has again. I've actively started participating. So I write